We're back with another Romanian adventure. This time, we're in Transylvania. The name itself conjures images. Ancient castles perched on craggy cliffs, whispers of legends in the shadowy forests. Nestled in the heart of Romania, this region beckons travelers with its promise of adventure and romance. From Bram Stoker's Dracula to Vlad the Impaler, the region is intertwined with tales that ignite a sense of wonder. Beyond the myths, Transylvania reveals itself as a land of breathtaking landscapes and warm hospitality. Discover hidden gems in its rolling hills and verdant valleys. Come, let us embark on an exploration of Transylvania, where mysteries await to be unraveled. Transylvania's beauty is a sight to behold. Imagine soaring mountains piercing the sky, their peaks cloaked in emerald forests. Picture crystal-clear lakes reflecting the azure heavens. The Carpathian Mountains dominate the landscape, their slopes adorned with ancient forests. These forests are home to a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna, including brown bears. Rolling hills and fertile valleys paint a picture of pastoral tranquility. Vineyards bask in the warm sunshine, producing some of Romania's finest wines. Transylvania's natural beauty offers a respite from modern life. Whether hiking, marveling at the Carpathians, or soaking up lakeside tranquility, nature's embrace will rejuvenate your soul. Transylvania is a playground for adventurers, offering a diverse range of experiences that cater to all kinds of interests. History buffs will be enthralled by the region's medieval castles, each with its own unique story and architectural style. Bran Castle, often associated with the legendary Dracula, stands majestically atop a steep cliff, drawing visitors from around the world. Corvinestilor Castle, a Gothic masterpiece, evokes awe with its intricate carvings and rich history, making it a must-see for any visitor. Peleș Castle, nestled in the Carpathians, transports visitors to a bygone era of royalty, with its opulent rooms and stunning gardens. Nature enthusiasts can explore stunning landscapes on foot, by bike, or on horseback, immersing themselves in the beauty of the region. Hike through the Carpathians, following trails that lead to breathtaking vistas and serene natural beauty. Cycle along winding roads through picturesque villages, experiencing the charm and tranquility of rural Transylvania. Or saddle up for a horseback riding adventure in the Transylvanian wilderness, where you can connect with nature in a unique way. Venture into the Carpathians and encounter the iconic brown bear, a symbol of the region's wild and untamed beauty. Guided bear-watching tours offer a safe and educational way to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. No adventure is complete without a visit to the Treehouse Village restaurant in Transfăgărășan, where you can enjoy unique dining experiences amid stunning scenery. Transylvania's culinary delights are as captivating as its landscapes, offering a rich tapestry of flavors that tell the story of its diverse cultural heritage. Prepare your taste buds for a journey into hearty flavors and fresh ingredients, sourced from local farms and markets, ensuring every dish is as fresh as it is flavorful. Transylvanian cuisine is a delightful fusion of Romanian heritage and neighboring influences, blending Hungarian, Saxon, and Turkish flavors into a unique culinary experience. Start your day with Omletă, a fluffy omelet filled with local cheeses or smoked meats, often accompanied by fresh vegetables and herbs. Indulge in Papanași, fried dough balls topped with sour cream and sweet berry jam, a dessert that perfectly balances richness and sweetness. Sample local street food like Mici, grilled minced meat rolls, and Corvinestilor, pretzel-like pastries, which are perfect for a quick and satisfying snack. For a refreshing drink, try Socată, a traditional elderflower cordial, known for its light, floral taste and natural sweetness. Seek out a traditional guesthouse for home-cooked meals with fresh, locally sourced ingredients, where you can experience the warmth and hospitality of Transylvanian culture. Savor dishes like sarmal, cabbage rolls filled with a savory mix of meats and rice, and tocitura, a hearty stew, paired with local wine to complete your culinary journey. When to embrace the Transylvanian magic. Transylvania's beauty transforms with the passing seasons. Spring breathes new life into the landscape with wildflowers and fresh leaves. The air is crisp and invigorating, perfect for outdoor activities. Summer bathes Transylvania in warm sunshine, ideal for hiking and swimming. Autumn paints the region in vibrant hues, making it a photographer's paradise. Sample seasonal menus showcasing fresh produce. Winter transforms Transylvania into a magical wonderland. Enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and cozying up by a fireplace. Visit during Christmas for festive markets and twinkling lights. Each season offers a unique perspective on this enchanting region. Transylvania for two, a romantic escape. Transylvania sets the stage for an unforgettable romantic escape, where every corner whispers tales of love and adventure. Stroll hand in hand through cobblestone streets, feeling the history beneath your feet, and share a bottle of local wine under a starlit sky, where every star seems to shine just for you. Begin your adventure in Sighisoara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Wander through narrow streets, marvel at the colorful houses that look like they've been painted by an artist, and climb the clock tower for a breathtaking view of the town. Enjoy a romantic dinner at a charming restaurant, where the ambiance is as delightful as the cuisine. Spend a night at a castle hotel, waking up in a four-poster bed, feeling like royalty in your own love story. Explore the castle's grounds, wander through its gardens, and imagine yourselves as royalty, living in a bygone era of romance and grandeur. Visit the Carpathian Mountains for scenic drives and hikes, where the natural beauty will take your breath away and create memories that last a lifetime. Indulge in a romantic dinner at the Treehouse Village restaurant, where you can dine among the treetops, surrounded by the sounds of nature. Savor traditional Romanian dishes, each bite a new discovery, surrounded by the serene beauty of nature. It's the perfect setting for a romantic evening, where the sunset paints the sky in hues of love, and every moment feels like a dream. Transylvania for the solo soul. Finding yourself in nature's embrace. Transylvania offers a sanctuary for solo travelers seeking introspection and self-discovery. Wander through ancient forests, the only sounds the rustling leaves and chirping birds. Stand on a mountaintop, gazing at a panorama of rolling hills and valleys. Visit monasteries and churches for a spiritual retreat. Explore the painted monasteries of Bukovina and fortified churches. Nature lovers will find solace in stunning landscapes. Hike the Carpathian Mountains, follow trails to hidden waterfalls. Rent a bicycle and cycle through picturesque villages. Consider volunteering at a local organization for a rewarding experience. Transylvania for the adventurous spirit, conquering peaks and exploring caves. Transylvania's rugged mountains and hidden caves beckon adventurers. Imagine rappelling down a sheer cliff face or navigating dark cave passages. The Carpathian Mountains offer challenging hikes and climbs. Scale Moldoveanu Peak, the highest in Romania, for breathtaking views. Hike through Piatra Craiului National Park with its dramatic cliffs. Try a Via Ferrata route for a thrilling rock climbing experience. Explore the Turda salt mine with its underground lakes and Ferris wheel. Visit the Scarisowara Glacier Cave, home to a large underground glacier. Navigate the rapids of the Jiu River for exhilarating whitewater rafting. Paddle down the Crisul Repede River with its crystal-clear waters. A tapestry of experiences. Weaving memories in Transylvania. Transylvania is a tapestry of experiences creating unforgettable memories. It's the thrill of spotting a brown bear, the awe of medieval castles, and the tranquility of hiking. Drive along the Transfăgărașan Highway, winding through the Carpathians. Stop at a viewpoint to gaze at mountain peaks and cascading waterfalls. Arrive at a charming village, stroll through cobblestone streets, and sample local crafts. Enjoy a meal at a traditional guest house, savoring sarmale and local wine. Experience the magic of Transylvania, a feeling that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Transylvania beckons. Your unforgettable journey awaits. Transylvania beckons, a land of captivating beauty, rich history, and endless adventure. Explore medieval castles, wander through ancient forests, and encounter diverse wildlife. Whether seeking a romantic escape, solo adventure, family vacation, or thrill-seeking expedition, Transylvania has something for everyone. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and prepare for a journey that will ignite your imagination and create lasting memories forever. Transylvania awaits, ready to share its magic and wonders with you. Thanks for tuning in today. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support is much appreciated. Until next time, happy travels.